Yeah, explain about life cycle hooks of LWC. Yeah, ma'am, I know there is a in LWC. If I'm talking about life cycle hooks, so there are five life cycle hooks. First one is constructor, and second is connected callback and disconnected callback. No. Disconnected before connect connected. After that, rendered, then disconnected, and the last one is error callback. Hello, hello. So I explain. Yeah. Can you explain about LDS? Yeah, Lightning Data Service. So LDS is basically without and using any Apex code, you can share the data in Salesforce and insert and update the data in LDS with the help of LDS. Lightning Data Service is an intermediate layer between the Salesforce and Salesforce Lightning component to communicate with Aura and LWC users interface of the Salesforce, and it runs as a browser, and the records loaded in Lightning Data Service are cached on the browsers and shared across the component on the page. So it will be cache the data on the client server side on Salesforce. And some threads of permissions also is there. In LDS, we using some Lightning record edit form, Lightning record form, and Lightning record view form, and using UI record API. That's it. And the next question: if I want to apply the styles based on the template loaded and then how I can, if without CSS, how can basically using a record edit form, you can edit the styles on HTML file. We don't need to CSS file. You be using in that file of LWC. Uh, this questions I am go through the parent to child communication. Whenever we create a component A, B, and component C, then we pass the API if at the rate API decorators with the help of life cycles. So we can add the C component at the rate API, which we can pass the message in the child component and passing into the upper child component B, and component B also have initialized the at the rate API decorator. Then we call into the component A. This is the life cycle. This is the component is parent to child communication. Whenever we get the data from child to parent with the help of at the rate API decorators. For example, so for here we can use if template. Here we can if template user for each loop we can use here if template V colon, and component B name is component B, and passing there in the attributes the single quotes. After that, we can call in the JS file also the this dot query locator and the name of component and the dot using the method name. After that, it is very easy to call the component A. Sorry, component C.
Okay, Durvesh, we are done with an interview. Our team will get back to you and give you the updates. Thank you for joining the meet.
Thank you so much, ma'am.